TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, 30 minutes into the trading day, and markets relatively mixed with volatility present for sure. We have the Dow currently up 71 points, trading above 24,000, 24,029. S&P is positive by 4 points, trading at 2647. NASDAQ negative by 8, trading at 71.58. Let's start things off and take a look at the VIX, because volatility is here, even though markets within basically Dow up 0.3%, S&P up almost 0.2, NASDAQ down 0.1. Quite a day yesterday, though. The Dow declining over 700 points. And extending those declines overnight, where the Dow was down 260 points, futures market at one point. And that's where you see the VIX spiking overnight. From there, markets pull back. Dow in positive territory. VIX trading 2261 this morning. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets 30 minutes into the trading day on Friday. S&P 500 currently trading 2649. We had the highs of the session right at the market open, essentially. 9:30, we come into that high. From there, we're off a bit, 2650 as we speak. Dow 30, pretty similar pattern. Highs right around the open. From there, we're coming right back up to that level, currently trading 24,060. NASDAQ 100, again, highs right near the opening session. These are 5-minute bars. There's your 9:30 bar right there, reaching a high of 67.20. We're about 25 points off that level, but climbing higher as we speak. 66.96 in the NASDAQ 100. Crude, check that out, above $65. Quite a run for crude, even in the last 2 hours. We're at $64.42. From there, we're up a good 80 cents, 90 cents, $65.30 currently in crude. Gold as well, quite a week for gold, trading $1347.84 in gold. And Bitcoin, trading $83.77 on Bitcoin. Quite a decline from where we were up above 9,000, 83.77. So in terms of fundamental news out there, you have the story driving into work this morning was that the Senate avoids government shutdown with $1.3 trillion spending bill after more late-night theatrics. Well, the theatrics are not quite over, folks, because 8:55 a.m., you have President Trump tweeting, that he is considering a veto of the omnibus spending bill based on the fact that DACA and the wall is not included. We'll see how that shapes up. Stay tuned. I'll be coming back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. We got swim lessons at 11, Basil Chapman at 12, Dave White, Steve Rhodes, Tom O'Brien this afternoon. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Would you like exposure to the foreign currency markets without any downside risk to your principal? Then consider the Petro Currencies Market Safe CD from Everbank. This 3-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD leverages the performance of 4 equally weighted currencies from these top oil-producing countries: Brazil, Canada, Mexico, and Russia. This CD features a 200% leverage factor, which means that your potential upside payment will be double the currency's average performance at maturity with no cap if the currencies increase in value over the CD's term. And if the returns are negative, your principal's 100% protected. Returns are based on CD performance with no correlation to the price of oil, and there is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. The April 19th funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a division of TIAA FSB, member FDIC.